Hi everyone, this should be a nice short video where we can talk about typecasting because I realized that we actually never covered this in this class because we didn't directly need it for any of the assignments yet. So normally in a programming class we would cover typecasting toward the beginning of the class when we first learn about data types. So let's take a look at what typecasting is. So you could refer to the book if you have it, but if you don't have the book, I put a link here that covers typecasting. So the basic idea is this is how we convert one data type into another. So I actually copied this little program into program on the server so we can run it. But as we already know, here these declarations and initializations are creating a variable called sum and another one called count, and both of these have type int. And this variable mean has type double. And so if, say, at some point in our program, we want to take whatever value was stored in sum and we want to treat it as a double in some expression, we can cast it to a double using the syntax where we put the data type that we want to cast to inside parentheses, and then we just follow it with the expression. And so one thing we'll note here is that the precedence of this cast is higher than the precedence of this division. And so we actually do cast sum to a double before this happens. So if we were to run this, or first compile it, and then run it, now because sum was cast to a double, we do maybe what we might call sort of regular division, whereas if we didn't cast this to a double, and this is where we would normally see this at the beginning of the class, we would do what we call integer division here instead. So let's put that back. So that is typecasting, and the reason that we're learning about it now is that when we are using our dynamic memory allocation with calloc and malloc, we're going to need to cast what those give back to us to the correct type of pointer. So we're actually going to need typecasting now.